Okay, now for that user, suppose the username is employee, as we have created this one. It has the other user permission. Now, which command lets you to modify the permission of a folder for other users?
Okay, so for the other users to you can use the pseudo-CH mode. CH mode means the change mode. So for that, we can use the like suppose I want to add some permission to other user for a specific file. So for that, what I can do sudo then CH mode. Then this is the other user. For that, I have to specify O. O means other user. Now I have to add the permissions. To edit the permission, I have to give plus icon. After that, I can just give the permission like read permission. Then I can specify R. If I want to give multiple permission, I can also do that like RWX mean read, run, and execute. After that, I can space then the file or the folder name that which I want to give the permission the other user. Then hit enter.
Okay, thank you.